Hi guys, Elizabeth here. Hey, I received my Play by Sephora. This is for July 2018. And just going to go through it real quickly. As always, we get the 50 insider bonus points if you make a purchase at an actual Sephora. I've heard you can do it at a JCPenney Sephora, but still not online. But the theme this month, I guess, is drinking the goodness. So the bag is pretty simple. It's white. It's got the Play by Sephora red ribbon. I have been with Play by Sephora from the very beginning, so I actually have a lot of the bags, and I've also donated a lot of the bags. So, I mean, I do like the red graphics, but it's not something that's going to work for me in the future. Play by Sephora, obviously it's by Sephora. $10 a month beauty box, plus applicable tax, so I have to pay like $10.70 where I'm at. And let's see, what else? You get 5 samples. They call them deluxe samples. I do not. I think they're a little small for what you get for your money most of the time, but not all of the time. But they're products that I tend to use. So I'm sticking with it so far. So what else? Let's get started. Now this is a pretty good month. We actually have, I believe this is a full-size product. This is a Tarte blush in Party. Now this was the birthday gift from 2017. So I'm not going to swatch it because I have one, I am going to go ahead and put this in with my box of other goodies I've been collecting for you guys and have a giveaway, but that probably won't happen for another few months. So you can't sneeze at a full-size blush. The next thing is from Josie Maran. It's a whipped argan oil face butter. I do use a moisturizer, the Aqua Bomb. I don't usually use like face butters. Looks to me like a white lotion, maybe a little bit thicker than a butter, than a regular lotion. You know how body butters are kind of a little bit thicker than body lotion, but seems to do the job. I am definitely going to try that. It looks like 5 milliliters or 0.15 fluid ounces. So that's from Josie Maran, which is a pretty good brand. Also, the next item is from Tarte again. So I got 2 Tarte items this month. And this is from Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. So only because of beauty boxes do I use separate cleansers for my face than I guess what I used to do. So I have like half of a, if you can see it, it's kind of a liquidy gel there. I do have like half of a purity cleanser left, so this does come in handy. And look, I don't know if you can see that on camera, it is lathering up a little bit. So I am definitely going to put it to use. Do I find cleansers exciting? Probably not, but I will use that. The next item is from Fresh. It's called their Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. And this is one thing, it came in the mail yesterday afternoon, and I did actually just swipe this on my lips to see what it was like. Probably shouldn't put it up that far. I don't know if you can see, it's a very, very light pink tint. And it did feel great on my lips, so I will be using this. I know some people received a Tarte lipstick, but I will be using this, and it did feel good. So with a little tinge of pink, especially for the rest of the summer coming, it will work for me. Okay, From soil to oil, Cora Organics Nani Glow Face Oil. I'm not a big, I keep looking at, I don't know why I keep looking at my screen there. I'm not a big oil on the face person. It usually does not break me out, but a lot of times I will end up just using it on my body. I'd rather use a face moisturizer than an oil. So I will use it up. It will probably be used up on my body though. And it's not like I don't need moisture everywhere. So let's see, does that say how much that is? It's another 5 milliliters, 0.17 fluid ounce product. And let's see, the last one, it makes me happy because perfumes make me cough. This is a Christoph Robin mask, regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. Sumptuous hair, smooth, protected. So I actually don't have any other hair masks at this time. I do have some deep conditioners, but not like masks, which I'm really not sure, except for the link that you'd leave it on, what the difference is. So I am happy to receive that as my extra. You get 5 products in the extra. So the extra was the hair mask, which I'm happy about. I received a Christoph Robin product before. It was actually like a salt scrub mask for your hair, and it was wonderful. My hair's thin and fine and flat, and it actually gave me body just from using it, you know, to wash my hair with. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I have the Cora Organics. I don't think I've had a product from them before. The face oil. The fresh sugar lip treatment with that little light pink that I will enjoy. And the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea cleansing gel. The Josie Marin argan oil for face butter. Whipped argan oil face butter. And last but not least, the, I believe, full-size Tarte blush, which will probably more than likely go into a giveaway. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you got if you get the Play by Sephora. What do you think? It's a $10 box. I'm always on the edge of iffy because it doesn't give me as much makeup as I like. Though this time, I mean, you can't sneeze over a full-size blush. It just happens to be one I already have. But I use like everything, usually the only things that I put aside are like a repeat, or when they were doing a lot of the matte lip things. So I guess I'm going to hang in there for a few more months. What do you think? Should I hang in there with Play by Sephora? I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.